NewTek TriCaster Mini Advanced bundles are perfect for anyone who wants to create and publish network-style TV fast and easy. This week's Videoguys Product Spotlight features the NewTek TriCaster Mini Advanced bundles. Unlock the power of NDI with TriCaster Advanced Edition software, which is already installed on the TriCaster Mini Advanced units. NDI-enabled workflows are becoming more popular, and with these exclusive bundles, you can keep your production ahead of the trends. Now, for a limited time, you can bundle together these TriCaster Advanced Minis with a customized NewTek-equipped production. There are bundles built for both SDI and HDMI production workflows. Starting at $10,495, these bundles include a TriCaster Mini Advanced, Mini Control Surface, rolling hardshell case, and either two NewTek Connect Sparks or two NewTek NDI-HX PTZ1 cameras. Whether you are an educator, corporate producer, event videographer, or just love video as a hobby, TriCaster Mini Advanced is designed for you. Act now because these bundles end on March 23, 2018. For more information on the NewTek TriCaster Mini Advanced bundles, give us a call at 800-323-2325 or visit Videoguys.com.
Videoguys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.